Hello everyone, my name is Madhav Sad and welcome to Gyan Shalad Masti. Today we will be talking about the 3D glasses. So, how do they work? So, first let us see that we put the 3D glasses on our eyes. So, we will have to understand how our eyes works. So, I've already told you how the eye works, but in this case we will see a little difference. So, the simple thing of eye I've already told you in the previous video. Now in that video, I told you about a single eye. But when two eyes are there, there's a different situation. So, if you have not seen this video, please watch that video if you don't know the function of the eyes. So, let us start. So, whenever we see a 3D object, so everything around us basically 3D, apart from um, other things like paintings and things like that, everything is a 3D image. So, how do we see 3D images? So, we have two eyes. If it was one eye, it would have been easy because the brain just have to get the image on the retina and then flip it and make us see. But we have two eyes. So, how does our brain see the 3D images? So, let us see. So, if there is a stack of books here, let's suppose if there is a stack of books here, so the right eye and the left eye both will capture two different images. So let's perform an activity. You put your thumb like this and close one eye and see like this. And close first close this eye, then close this eye. So you will see that the thumb moves and you will every time you will perform you will see that the thumb moves. So why does this happen? Because the right side eye and the left side eye sees the two different images of the same thing. So we see 3D images because the brain puts the two images that are seen by the eye together and then we see the image. So that's how we see the 3D images. So what does it have to do with the 3D glasses? So 3D glasses, as you know, when we see the movie with the 3D glasses, we see creatures coming out. So why does that happen? So if we use the 3D glasses in any other program, it will not work. It will only work in the movies which are recommended for the 3D glasses. So why does that happen? Because the movie theater, the movie itself is made up of two different colors. As you have seen in the 3D glasses, there are blue and red colors. So why is that? So because the movie which is made is also of two colors, blue and red. So there are a blurred image and that blurred image is made up of red light and blue light both. So two images are overlapped. So our brain sees two different images. So if you see, if we keep a picture of a man and the blue and red are overlapped, so one I will see the red and I will see the blue if we are wearing the 3D glasses. So the red part of the our lens or the glasses, we don't see the red light through it. We see the blue light through the red glasses and the red light through the blue glasses. So the red glass blocks the red light and the blue glass blocks the blue light. So we see red with blue and blue with red. So as I've already told you, the images of blue and red. So when we see both of the different images, one is here and one is here. So they are not completely overlapped but slightly overlapped. So it's the same phenomenon that we see two different images, one this one and one slightly this one. So this forms a 3D image in the mind because when two different color images are there, it overlaps it our brain because it knows that we have to overlap simple 3D images. But in this, it overlaps it and we see it as a 3D image. So hope you understood that how the 3D glasses work. Next time I will tell you about the polarized 3D glasses which work a little differently. So hope you like this video. If you liked it, please share it with everyone and please like it and subscribe to the channel also. Bye.